Hello, my name is Chip, and welcome to Canelatut's, a Blender tutorial series that I made for Blender 2.6 and up. If you're using an older build, like 2.4 or 2.5, I would suggest that you upgrade to the newest build. And I left a link in the description box down below so you can get the new Blender. Make sure you download it and install, then you'll be ready for this tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys about the Blender user interface. I'm going to try and cram as much information as I can into this tutorial, considering I have a 9-minute limit for YouTube, supposedly. Alright, let's start off with, on the top left corner we have the this icon panel right here, panel icon. And what it does is, if you click it, you can change you can see all the different types of editors that are inside Blender. Let's keep it at info for right now, and I'm going to show you guys the file. This has the essentials of every program that's in every computer. And we have add is to add objects, render to render an image or an animation, or to try and see it in OpenGL. Then we have help is for has all the information about Blender, and then after that we have the layouts menu, and this will show you the different types of pre-made layouts that come with Blender. There's video editing if you want to do just video. There's game logic if you want to do some game programming, video game stuff. We have animations for strictly animation. But right now we're going to just keep it simple. Let's go back to default. And then after the layout menu, we're going to look at the scenes layout, not layout. Sorry, I mean the scenes menu, and this is pretty much compromises what's inside your Blender. You can make new scenes with this. Say you wanted to have a different scene, and it's going to have like different, say you have like, for example, say you wanted to make something appear out of nowhere. Well, you could do that with two scenes. You could have one scene with one cube and then the other one with two cubes. I'm probably going to give another tutorial for just that, but right now we're going to continue to the plugins renderer, and we have here is Blender Render. That's what we're using right now. Game Engine, that's for video games, and we have Cycles if you have a fast video card with a which is compatible with CUDA or AMD app. And then after that, we're going to look at the 3D viewport. This huge square is for where you make all your animations and 3D models. I would suggest that you do your animations and 3D models in this viewport, not in the animations layout, because it's a lot easier. It's huge, so you can work with your animations easier. But if you wanted to do some more advanced things, then that's what the animations layout is for. Continuing down at the bottom, we have the timeline panel, and this is for actually animating objects. I'm not gonna get really deep into this. Over here we have if, say, for example, you wanted to extend your animations, make your frames longer, you can change this to 300. And like so, you can change it. It's easy. This is so that you can go to a specific frame in your animation or in the timeline. Over here we have our play buttons. Sync, I don't know very much about sync. I have never used it. I'll find out and probably make a video of that. And then we have these record buttons to actually animate objects. And let's see, continuing from this, on the top right corner we have our outliner panel, and this is just like a layers panel, like in Photoshop or GIMP, if you've ever used those programs. It'll list what's inside your Blender in text. Right here is the world, which is the environment, camera, cube, and then that extra cube I just made, and then your lamp. After that, on the bottom, we have the properties panel. The properties panel is like your little toolbox. It pretty much is what does everything in Blender. It will let you color objects, texture them, apply physics, everything. This is the place to go where you want to do something in Blender, something different other than modeling. And before we finish this video, I'm going to show you guys that that Blender is very customizable. It's very easy to customize Blender. You can switch your windows to your needs. You can make new windows by going to this top corner over here and dragging down or left. You can remove windows if you right click right here, click join area, and it'll collapse them. Do it again, collapse it. Other than that, that's about it. Make sure you like and subscribe the video, and if you have any questions, send me a message through YouTube and I will get back to you. Thank you.